May I request Atul, Principal of the School of Sciences, Geetam University, Bangalore, to honor Mr. Benjamin Samuel, who is head for this SAP Labs. He looks like a student, but after speech you can understand what he is.
Morning to all of you. Thank you so much for welcoming all of the members on the dais and all the students who are seated here. I know Kishore sir is running a tight leash. There's an alarm sound that goes off where we have to stop talking. So wait another 10 minutes. I would request all of you to help us, all of us on the dais, give your feedback. I'm pretty sure each one of you as placement officers here have something to say about the season. So a small activity, if you can just raise your hand if you are satisfied with this year's placement. Great. So with the numbers that Sridevi ma'am was mentioning, I'm pretty sure next time I ask this, both your hands will be up. The kind of opportunities that are coming through from the placements, the kind of opportunities that will come up as new roles for each one of you is going to be phenomenal. I can vouch for it from both a service industry perspective as well as a product background. I'll just take a few examples and a few names and I'll get into more details. I hope the mic is there. So first question probably, I'm just randomly picking out names here. Feel free to answer. You can avoid if you're not comfortable. Do we have Vadi sir from Alliance? Can somebody please get a mic there? So, among both students as well as the new type of roles that are coming out there in the industry.
Yeah, thanks, Benjamin. Certainly, throughout these years, whatever we are talking about in terms of opportunities that the students take, everything is on the higher side, right? And particularly after the pandemic, the lockdowns and things, like how we are talking about, the inputs and the certifications that the students take is huge. Again, like how Professor was telling that Coursera is one of the things, even in Alliance, we had encouraged this and students opted for more number of certification programs, which certainly is not just to their subjects, but even beyond.
Brilliant.
So that, they try to grab more learnings, and this certainly during the recruitment process has helped the students to get better offers. And when we are talking about the growth for the students and the opportunities and for the university and the corporates, just relating to everything, yes, certainly the profiles that the students get are huge. They are learning every year, the opportunities that the students get is huge. And again, from the corporate view, the opportunities, the roles that the university gets is on the higher side. And again, not to point out on the compensation, but again, talking about that has also been on the increasing side.
Brilliant. So all in all, when it comes to placements, when it comes to the opportunities and the CTC, you see an upward trend.
Yes.
Thank you so much, sir.
Sure.
I'll probably request Sunil sir from SJCIT to give in a few inputs. Will also echo.
Yes.
Do you think the virtual hiring has given you a better advantage, or do you think that there was a disadvantage in the overall placements?
Thank you, sir. I say there are mutually, sometimes it's a best, even inside, because many of the students are from the rural sector. It's a mix of it. Some people say yes, it's good, some people say it's bad. But as an industry, your expectations are very high, very high when compared to the students who are from the rural sectors. If it's matching, then we all will be in the success rate, I can tell you.
Great. Thank you so much. So offline is something that we will resume back, but industries have realized that we are able to get those same numbers that Vadi was talking about. We're able to increase the number of opportunities out there in the market. We're able to hire talent with minimum amount of effort as well as cost. So my only request to all of you as placement officers is, from both perspectives, please ensure that your students are prepared for both virtual as well as offline interviews. Second, when it comes to the roles and responsibilities, from a service perspective and from a product perspective, service, you have an array of options. You have production support, you have testing, you have development. But when it comes to product companies, there are new areas and new avenues that are coming up. I would request each one of you to introspect, see what can be additionally done. I personally am looking at colleges which are specifically hiring with data science background. I'm looking at people who can come with a techno-functional background. When I say techno-functional, a person who's probably having a little bit of marketing skill but the technical capability. So MBAs are the right fit, but we would want somebody who's at 80% technical skills and 20% functional skills. So these are the new emerging roles out there in the market. The reason why I'm pitching it out to each one of you is in the next few years, like it is rightly mentioned, you will have digital skills. Along with that, the functional knowledge is extremely critical. So I would request, invest in talent which will groom their functional capabilities as well. Now, coming to probably the last, Usha ma'am, if you could probably help with an answer, if the mic can be passed. Find a difference between what exactly is the CTC that is service company, because Wipro, I know, has digital offers. SAP has digital offers. There are a lot of product companies now and service companies which are now coming at the same level. Do you see a visible difference in both of these? It's your opinion. It can be absolutely based on your experience. Do you feel that the entire thing is as same as? Great. So what I'm trying to tell you is the borders between the service company and the product companies are thinning down. Thank you so much, ma'am. You can please take a seat. But now when I'm looking at from a product perspective, I have fewer numbers to hire and I'm able to get that gap. But when I was in TCS, when I had to bridge that gap, it was extremely difficult. So all I'm saying is try and see if the students are groomable, more flexible. These are the attributes that we look at. Technical is something that you will definitely take care of. These are students who will regardless come with some technical skills. So with that background, I'll take a pause here. I don't want to overshoot. I think we are already running short of time, so I'll save the time and pass it on to the next speaker here. But it is brilliant to see all of your students coming to our colleges and outperform, outshine. It's all because of your efforts, and for that, I would like to give each one of you a big round of applause.